Welcome to Eager Little Beavers. Hey everyone, remember the thrill of tasting chocolate for the first time? Or the tanginess of an orange? Well, our little ones are about to embark on their own taste adventure. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting milestones for our babies, transitioning from bottles and breastfeeding to the colourful world of solid foods. If you're a young parent feeling a tad unsure or overwhelmed about this change, this video is for you. Join me as we navigate the do's, the don'ts, and the yummy fun of introducing your baby to their first foods. Let's get started. But first, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting parental content. Now let's get into it. Oh, the joy of seeing your baby grow. One of the most significant milestones in your little one's development is transitioning from breast milk or formula to solid foods. It's not just about nutrition, it's a journey of discovery, tastes, and textures. However, for many young parents, it can be an uncertain and sometimes anxious time. How do you know when your baby is ready? What foods should you start with? How do you handle potential allergies? Worry not. This video will guide you through the essentials, ensuring this transition is smooth and enjoyable for both you and your baby. Number 1, spotting the signs. Your baby will give you cues when they're ready to explore solid foods, typically around 6 months. Here are some signs to look out for. Head control. Your baby can hold their head up steadily. Interest in your food. They might lean forward or open their mouth when they might see you eating. Mouthing their hands or toys. This indicates they're ready to experience new textures. Ability to sit upright with little or no support. Number 2, first foods to introduce. Start with single ingredient iron-rich foods and introduce new ones every few days. This makes it easier to identify any potential allergies. Some recommended first foods include pureed or soft fruits, pureed or soft veggies, iron-fortified single-grain cereals like rice or oatmeal. Number 3, method matters. How you introduce solid foods can make a difference. Baby-led weaning instead of purees offer your baby soft pieces of regular foods and let them explore and feed themselves. It can get messy. With traditional weaning, start with smooth purees and gradually move to chunkier textures. Choose the method that feels right for you and your baby. Both methods have their benefits. There's no right or wrong. Number 4, allergies. Be watchful. While introducing new foods, monitor your baby for any allergic reactions such as hives, a rash around the mouth or elsewhere, watery eyes or nose, diarrhea, vomiting, or unusual fussiness. If you suspect an allergy, stop the new food and consult your pediatrician. Number 5, maintain milk intake. Even as your baby begins to enjoy solids, breast milk or formula remains their primary source of nutrition until their first birthday. Don't rush to replace milk feeds with solids. They need it. Number 6, making mealtime fun. Remember, the transition to solids is as much about exploration as it is about nutrition. Let them play. It might get messy, but allowing your baby to touch and play with their food can enhance their eating experience. Introduce a mix to keep things exciting. There will be days when your baby shows less interest in solids. It's okay. Every baby is different. Number 7, consult with your pediatrician. Always keep in close contact with your pediatrician throughout the transition. They can offer guidance tailored to your baby's specific needs and growth patterns. Now, introducing solid foods is an exciting phase, marking the beginning of a lifetime of culinary adventures for your baby. By being attentive, patient, and maintaining a sense of fun, you'll ensure this transition is a positive experience for everyone involved. Happy feeding! Well, there you have it, folks. From pureed peas to mashed bananas, the journey of introducing solids is a roller coaster of tastes and textures. Remember, every baby is unique. They will have their foodie preferences just like we do. I hope this video helps you and your little munchkin have a delightful dining adventure together. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with other young parents, and don't forget to subscribe for more parenting tips and tricks. Until next time, here's to messy faces, tiny hands exploring new foods, and countless memories being made at the dining table. Good luck! Thank you for watching. Remember to take care of yourself because you're worth it. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more interesting and informative parental support.